Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick tutorial on how to disable dark mode on the Roblox app for PC, especially after the recent update. If you've found that the dark theme isn't quite your style anymore, don't worry, switching back to light mode is super easy. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Roblox app. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main interface in front of you. Next, look to the left side of the screen. You'll spot 3 dots stacked vertically. Click on those 3 dots to access the menu. Now let's move on to the next step. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. This is where you'll find various options to customize your experience. After you're in the Settings menu, you'll want to click on Account Info. This section holds important details about your Roblox account, including theme settings. Now comes the final step. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Theme. Here, you're going to see 2 choices, dark and light. Simply select light to switch back from dark mode. And that's it. You've successfully disabled dark mode on your Roblox app. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Do you prefer light mode or dark mode? We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming on Roblox.